In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily keep your Facebook friends list private. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap Add that gear to move on to the settings and privacy. And basically Facebook is constantly changing the interface of its app, so the best way to find that feature we are looking for is by typing it in search. So I recommend you to tap Add search and then just search for friends. That will show you some search results, and in here we need to tap at who can see your friends list. And finally, that's where we can make our friends list private. All we have to do is just tap right here at this drop down, and then if you would like to make it completely private, just select only me.